Close. Open. Do it again. Close. Now open it. You playing with your big bag of blocks there? It's an early birthday present, huh? There you go. Open. And you can close it again? Can you close it? Says, nope, I'm going to play with these blocks now. Gotta push it all the way open. Keep trying. Yay! There you go. Standing up helps, doesn't it? I think you're having more fun with the bag than the toys. Mm-hmm. Maybe I should have just gotten you the bag. I think you're having more fun with that. Okay, say bye-bye. Bye-bye. You wave bye-bye? Aria, say bye-bye. Oh, don't want to wave bye. Okay.